Hello everyone, this is just a basic introduction video about bacteria. As we all know that commonly bacteria also called germs. They are microscopic and single-celled organisms. We can't see it with naked eye. Bacteria are ubiquitous. Ubiquitous means universal. So they are found in every habitat on earth. For example, soil, rock, oceans and even Arctic snow. Some live in or on other organisms, including plants and animals, including humans. While few bacteria are parasites or pathogens that cause disease in animals and plants. For example, Salmonella typhi, they cause typhoid fever in humans. And some are even beneficial to human health. For example, lactobacillus, they are found in digestive tract of human and used for general digestion problems. This was all about basic introduction of bacteria. We will discuss types of bacteria and structure of bacteria in the next video. Thank you for watching.